Okay, so you can see it's a pretty snug fit in there. This is all like padded rubber here, so the battery doesn't vibrate, doesn't slide, doesn't move, and of course this on it. And it's also sometimes tough getting it back in because it bites on the battery. Okay, so I only use genuine parts from a Harley shop. Sorry, that's just the way I believe. I keep all my stuff original equipment. So we've got it, and they come with, usually they come with enough charge in them that they're going to go ahead, about 2/3 of a charge, so they're going to go ahead and start up your bike for you. So anyways, we'll take this guy and work him down in here. Okay, so now it's in place there. And we bring this strap across. And sometimes it's nice to have a second pair of hands here. This goes back down on that little tab, which is easier said than done. But we get her down there in place. I know I'm going to block your view, but there's no other way that you can get down in here to see this. Okay. There we go. We're just about on there. Okay, now we're going to come around, put the side plate on.